Paje Mankau, Emle, Onamle, Payawanang, the way Muilane, Ado Hippie, Aoleang Monyu, Muibu Beme, Yakba, Koka, Yapa Jamse Koka. Greeting at the Aoleang Monyu Namde. Happy Aoleang! Happy Aoleang! Happy Aoleang! Konyak Monyu, Happy Aoleang! Boy be Mon district, as I take your leave today, I carry with me not just a memories. I carry with me not just a memories, but a deep sense of pride in who we are as one. May this unity grow stronger. May this unity grow stronger. May this culture grow deeper, and may our future grow brighter and together. Before I leave, I would like to sing one Wancho Laidung song हम गाना चाहता हैं यहाँ पे.
Wayan Union Mon. Here is a poetic expression of the song. The season of joy, a time to unite, annual festival arrives, a beacon bright. Let go of sorrow, let go of pain, celebrate together in joy's sweet refrain. In vibrant attire, we will dance and sing, showcasing traditions, our hearts' true ring. With every step, a story is told of heritage and culture, young and old. Let inspiration flow as we come alive, celebrating our uniqueness, our spirit to thrive. Wancho, pride, and others too. Together, let's honor all we hold true. May the Almighty bless this festive cheer, prosperity and peace for all who's near. Let's make this festival a memory to share.
Togu area Union Mon. Hello. Hello. Hello.